So this is a draft of what the museum will look like. You can move through it in the usual way you would on the computer. You can move the camera around. Works of art like this of Mr. Woods will have audio attached to it. You can't hear it right now, but anything like plays will have audio versions attached to them. You can move around. Different pieces are going to be scaled up or down. The goal is eventually, I just have a few representative pieces here, is to have the pieces in groups by the, sorry, I'm probably getting a little bit dizzy here, in groups by their theme. So if one piece inspired another, those four pieces would be grouped together. Anyway, so this is just a little view of what will be the Pandemic Museum.